Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. And today we're looking at a lot of KF94 masks. Love the KF94 format because no one ever seems to bother to counterfeit it, right? So you can pretty much trust that the KF94 format, if you buy something that says KF94, it's gonna be a good mask. Except people started copying. People started copying it. We just found two counterfeit back to back. I'm still reacting to it, to be honest. And then I happened to get this one, the KF94 Leaf. It sounds so great. You look at the listing, mask for women, men, women, men. 20 packs, earth tone print mask. That's so nice. And then Leaf. It just feels nice, right? Like you can trust it. And then you look in the back, and then you see made in China. Now, what am I, do I hate things that are made in China? No, actually don't. Besides, pretty much everything's made in China. This camera's really made in China. This machine's made in China. Everything's made in China. But KF94 masks are not made in China. In fact, the one thing that makes KF94 so great is that the Korean FDA, they watch all the manufacturers very closely. And so there's no funny business. But this is made in China, which means what? It's not a KF94. So this will be interesting to see if this passes standards using our machine here. So I will stop yapping, and I will open this up and get in. Now, one sort of dead giveaway, actually, with just about all of them, except for the Air Queen, which didn't seem to be a real KF94. And there was another one, that MH Health. Image Care. Let's get this going. This is a PFE machine. I'm doing the N95 mask test on a KF94, and that's to let you know what the filtration is, so you know if you can trust the mask and the fabric. Most Korean masks show up in a package like this, and almost all of them are individually packaged. This kind of packaging is super expensive. In the United States, it would cost me, unless I was ordering at massive scale, it would cost me like 40 cents just for one of these packs. The masks don't even cost that much to make, so pretty insane that they put it in this beautiful packaging. And that's one dead giveaway. If something comes in a box like this and claims to be a KF94, it probably is not a KF94. And this one is not a KF94. Now, whether that translates to being safe for you or not is another matter entirely. I'm gonna look at this real quick. That broke more quickly than I would normally see at a KF94. And I'm gonna try this on really fast. Oh wow, the construction is not great. The ear loop is kind of, this smells like a KN95. That's what I'm going to call it. Smells like KN95. China, I think the polypropylene they use has a certain smell to it. It's a very plasticky smell, and this smells exactly like it. I'm going to switch over here to the PFE machine. We're going to do this live. Look at this. Airflow is 250 pascals. That's above the N95 standard. And you know, I'm going to be honest, I don't know what the KF95 standard is. 260 now, right? That's not a very breathable mask. I want a mask that's below 150. That's what I'm looking for. That's something I think what I would call all-day breathability. Being 250, that's way too high. Now look, they did hit that filtration efficiency. Look, the Chinese actually invented modern melt-blown technology. They know what they're doing. Chinese get a bad rap for some stuff recently when it comes to masks, but honestly, they can make an amazing mask, and they invented most of the technology around it. So this is not a surprise that we're getting 98.778%. But the airflow resistance, the breathability, that's really bad. This is not a real KF94. I would buy a real KF94 if I were you. I've got a list right below. Support the beautiful Korean format, the one that the Korean FDA looks at. Don't support these knockoff guys. KF Leaf, come on. Don't support them. That's not a good mask. I would not buy this mask. All right, guys, thank you so much. Hope you learned a little bit about KF94s today because, you know, that means that when you get up in the morning and you look at yourself in the mirror, you know that you're just a little bit lamer. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I like making it. Give me a like or subscribe, and I will catch you on the next mask test.